Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Magic Centopio, and today we are going on Triceratop Spin at Disney's Animal Kingdom for the last time. Let's go. Oh, here we go. Woo! And it can go, the back one tilted forward and backwards. Look at that. So tilted forward, tilted backwards. Oh wow, Masterpiece Primeval. At least you go up and down this ride. It's cool. I'm probably gonna have to mute all this audio for copyright reasons. Wow, that's cool that you can tilt forward and backward. Oh, that's awesome.
Looks like our little dinosaurs are landing. So please stay.
It looks like that's it already. And it lands the exact same number that I was given. Cool. I hope you all enjoyed this video of my last ever time riding Triceratop Spin at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe with that middle button if you haven't already, and check out the 2 videos you see on the screen if you haven't already. Okay, goodbye everyone.